All right, everybody. As you can see, my seed starting for 2026 is off to the races. But are you noticing a few things that might look a little off? If so, sit back, relax. In this video, I want to go over a few things that you might not think about when it comes to something that you can use to plant your seeds in, like your own miniature greenhouses. One thing I like to say on this channel is to always think outside the box. Don't get stuck in one specific way of doing things. Try to be creative, try to think outside the box, and if you can utilize something that you've already bought, then why not save it and use it in another way? i.e., a lot of times when you go to stores, especially if you're a beginner gardener, this is important to know. When you go to stores to get like seed starting trays, a lot of them will come with domes. In essence, what that's creating is a miniature greenhouse for your seed starts to start. And I'm showing a little bit of that right here that I've used here at my house. Now, one thing that I do absolutely love to do is repurpose things. And a very fun way of repurposing stuff are stuff that you get whenever you go to, say, like a fast food restaurant. Now, Chad, what are you talking about? Something like this. This is a miniature greenhouse. I'm going to take out the straw, but this is a miniature greenhouse. It's got a lid on it. All you got to do is poke some holes in the bottom for drainage, and there you go. It works perfect. Or how about if you go to the grocery store and you're getting fruits, well, not really vegetables, but you're getting fruits like raspberries, blueberries, strawberries. They usually come in containers like this, right? It's got a lid, it's got some holes for ventilation, got holes on the bottom already for drainage, and you could easily fill this up, put some seeds in there, and you've got your own miniature little greenhouse like this. Those work great, which I'll show here in a second. Now, another one that I like to use, especially for peppers, because peppers can be a very tricky plant to get growing. Some can take a long time to germinate, but once they get going, they're good to go. But a plastic bag, y'all. Just get a Ziploc. Put your seed, put your container in here, close it up, make sure you have plenty of air in here, close it up, sit it on the heat mat under a grow light, and y'all, you just created literally a greenhouse. And I'm showing that right here that I used for my Single Seed Challenge 2026 plant, and it did great. In fact, it was in here, and now it's over there growing great. Another really good one is a big garbage bag. Now, I like to use ones that don't have any scent in them and that they're clear, like I'm showing right here, that I use for all of those tomato starts. And it literally turned into a greenhouse, and all those tomato starts just blew up. Soon, within I think it was 4 days of me putting the plastic bag over those peppers, got peppers on the brain, over those tomatoes, and they just started to explode. So where am I going with this? When you are going through your normal daily lives, you are going to encounter things that might not seem like you can do anything with once you're done with it. Well, you can keep it. So think of those things when you're planting your seed starts for down the road, depending on where you are. I've already got my seed starts going because spring is around the corner for me, but wherever you are, you might be further up north and your spring might not come till May. I don't know. But be thinking of those things. Save them. It's plastic, y'all. You can reuse these things forever. So why not? Why just toss them when you can repurpose them, reuse them? Keep them out of the landfills, right? Just reuse them. And they work great. In fact, let me show you real quick on just a couple of the examples here that I want to show you. All right, so before we go any further, some of these plants are a little leggy. That's fine. I have ways around all that. And some of these I planted specifically for this video, so I'm not really tripping on how they look or how leggy they are, because I'm about to up pot them and change them out and all that. So some of this was done for the video just to show how you can grow in certain of these little examples that I gave. Okay, so the first one is right here. This was just, I think there were, what do you call it? I think there were strawberries in this, and yes, these do look leggy, I know. I'll fix that, I'm not worried about that. This is a Rampicati zucchini, so they're gonna lay over anyway, and I'm not tripping. But you can see, look at the roots. Like, you can really reuse these in such a fun way. Here's the hashtag single seeding challenge 2026 plant. That was in that plastic Ziploc, and look, it's already above the rim, y'all. So I'm about to add soil in there shortly. Coming over here, now this is one that we're gonna open together. I planted a Rampicati zucchini plant, and you can see that it's already at the top. We got some gnats in there, no big deal. But look at it, growing just fine. And I only planted one in here. I did that on purpose, because as it grows, I'm gonna add soil to it. But look at that, you can see the condensation inside from the greenhouse, that effect that was in here. And look at that, it looks great. Now that it's growing up, we're gonna keep the lid off. The plastic bag I still have right here. As I uncovered it, I just set the plastic bag back there and left it alone. But see, those are some good examples right there. All right, y'all, so that's the video. Nice, fast, quick, to the point. And it was just really a video where I wanted you to think outside the box. Really think of things that you can use or repurpose that you get throughout your daily lives that can actually benefit you in the garden and save you money, because you don't need to go buy a whole bunch of seed start trays and all that if you have a bunch of, you know, things like I just showed. So everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got something out of it, and I hope it made you think, hey, I can totally reuse this. Now, your spouse might accuse you of being a hoarder, or your kids might, but that's okay, right? We're gardeners. Everyone, take care. May God continue to bless each and every one of you, and I'll talk to y'all again real soon. Bye.